I'm here with Matt with Neo Home Loans, who has a really creative option for, I know, many of you in these circumstances, which is sellers who need to sell their home or want to sell their home, but they feel bound by the low interest rate that they received years ago that are now outdated.
That's right. So a lot of people feel stuck, right? They got that great 3% interest rate, and they're just stuck and they feel like they have nowhere to go. So we've created some really cool strategies, if you will. It's a global debt analysis. So you may have a 3% interest rate, but your global debt is not at 3%. The average credit card is somewhere around 20%. The average auto loan is somewhere around 9%.
Cars, boats.
So we want to identify that global debt interest rate, right? And then selling your home. If you've owned a home for a few years, you've got a lot of equity in that home. Well, most people think, look, I'm going to sell my home, put all that equity into the new home, pay down that principal balance as low as I can to get a really low mortgage payment. But I still got all this miscellaneous high interest rate debt over here. So my overall expenses skyrocket, right? Because of the higher interest rates now.
Well, and that's the common interpretation of what you do when you're moving up in homes. But I love what you've come up with, because it's a way you can get them that lower interest rate and you can still consolidate their debt.
That's right. Yeah. So it's called a move-up debt consolidation is what it is. Most people think of debt consolidation on a refinance. It's actually on a move-up strategy. Sell your home, take the equity, pay off all of your miscellaneous debt, and put less down on the new home, right? So you're financing more dollars, but your overall debt, your overall monthly liability is going to come down because you're financing more. Your global debt's higher at a higher interest rate than what your new mortgage is, even though mortgage rates are a little bit high right now.
Well, and who doesn't want a new house, new living circumstances, and to have their payments go down every single month? It's a great way to save money and reach your goals. So if you're interested in these circumstances or any other creative financing, Matt here, he's the way to go. Reach out to him today and I'm sure he'll get you taken care of.
It's my pleasure to help.